They ain't want to see it. Uh-huh. What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back on the pickup. And of course, I got my two stars with me. I got Miss Shot Shot and Miss Neela. Today we got a special unboxing for you guys. Today we got a pair of shoes coming straight from Adidas. These are, of course, none other than the Adidas Lightblaze Glow. Very interesting shoe to say the least, and I'll tell you guys why in just a moment. Alright, so if you're one of the lucky people that's able to get this shoe for this price point, man, all I can say is you winning right now. Because these bad boys right here, they had my attention at retail, but seeing this particular colorway and seeing the price of $55 ship, I mean, what more can I say? So you're going to get a shoe that looks just like this, and this green you see right here is going to be called a Magic Lime Met, and this right here is what the Lightstrike tech is made out of. And the thing I love about this is that Lightstrike is starting to grow on me. I'm always skeptical about new tech by Adidas if it's not Ultra Boost, but I promise you, after wearing these, you may be one of those people that are on the fence that'll say, this is better than Boost. I'm not one of those people, but I'll hear you out. So the upper is going to be composed of a metallic silver mesh as well as a cloud white. I promise you guys, these things look so much better in person. All right, so Lightstrike is the name and the beautiful piece of tech that you see right here. And as I was telling you guys, this is not glow in the dark, although it looks like it does. It just glows in the light. And at first I was a little bit blown, but you know what? For the price, I'm down with it. I love these shoes. You're gonna get Adidas branding on the back right here. You're gonna get your 3 stripes, which is what they have the cloud white mesh of, as well as the metallic silver in the outlines. You're gonna get Adidas branding right here, followed by a good amount of traction. Very good amount of traction, actually. Let me see if you guys can see. Yeah, good amount of traction. And then you're gonna have the Adidas branding right here, and then right here at the tongue as well, Adidas branding. Overall, man, this is a shoe that a lot of people have slept on and probably gonna sleep on, but man, I promise you, you gotta get your pair in hand. And you know what? I got a notification about an hour ago. The Tron colorway came out, and I'm so blown. I wanted that gray and blue pair. So I think what I might do is I'm gonna look at the pictures a little bit better, just to see if it glows in the nighttime or in the dark, or it's just reflective, or it just looks like it glows. Because this right here is a day glow. This does not glow at night. I've charged these things up with my bright light quite some time. And daughter, daddy filming. So that's about it. I'm gonna give her a pass because she got her shots earlier. So there you go, baby. So be sure to get these if you can. If not, man, I don't know what to tell you. For $55, these are a steal. All right, so as far as being able to put these things on with no hands, I'm gonna recommend you guys use your hands because it's a bit of a struggle to do with no hands, even if you have them pre-laced the way I do. These are a women's 11, which puts you at a men's 9.5. And these things right here, plenty of space, plenty of good space, so you can go your true size. Measure me, please. And as far as height boost goes, you're going to get roughly do the back, boo, the back. Let's see. You're going to get roughly a little over 1.5 inches. So good amount of height on these things. As far as taking these things off with no hands, you can do that with no problem.